The last part of a trapezoid that we're going to look at is called the midsegment of a trapezoid. The midsegment of a trapezoid connects the midpoints of the legs of the trapezoid, which you can see in the picture here. Here's a midpoint, and here's your other midpoint. The midsegment is going directly through the middle of it. And in order to find the midsegment, what we're going to do is we're going to take our bases, which in this case are parallel sides. So we're going to find the length of AF and CD. We add them together, and then we divide by 2. Your book multiplies it by a half. That's the same thing. Okay, so let's try and do an example that deals with this. Okay, in this example, I'm going to show you a couple ways that we can do this. We're going to try and find the length of one of our bases. So in this case, they give me the midsegment, which is 15. And we know that the midsegment is equal to half of our 2 bases added together. You can solve this many ways. You can distribute a half if you'd like. I'm actually going to multiply both sides by 2 because that will cancel the half. So if I take 15 times 2, that is 30. 2 times a half cancels, so I have x plus 18.2. I'm now going to subtract 18.2, and that would get us x equaling 11.8. There's another really interesting way of doing this. We can do this based on distance as well. So if you look, if I look at what is the difference between 18.2 and 15, I'm subtracting 3.2 to get me to 15. And then if I subtract another 3.2 from 15, you can do that. 15 minus 3.2, it actually gets 11.8. So that's another way that you could do it. But in the background, you're knowing that the distance between one base to your midsegment should be the same between one midsegment to the other midsegment. So I don't care which way you think of this, whichever way makes the most sense to you.